Magandang buhay, magandang araw, at magandang ikaw. Welcome back to our beauty care class. Are you excited to learn a new skills this afternoon? But before we proceed to our new lesson, let us first review our previous lesson. Who can tell me what are the massage techniques used in giving a foot massage? Very good. The foot massage techniques that we learned are rubbing, circular movement, fist movement, crisscross fiber, and squeezing. Since you already know and have performed the different foot massage techniques, let us now proceed to another interesting topic. Now, I have 3 pictures here. I want you to look at each pictures carefully. Your challenge is to guess or form one word from these 3 pictures. Yes, correct. The answer is foot spa treatment. Today, we're going to learn more about foot spa treatment, including the materials, tools, and equipment used, as well as the proper procedures and technique. So, are you ready to learn, participate, and develop a new skills? Excellent! Let us begin our lesson on foot spa treatment.
To observe proper hygiene and safety, wear scrub suit or apron, a face mask, and tie your hair properly. Tools, materials, and equipment used in giving foot spa treatment. Pre-foot spa treatment. The primary responsibility of the salon professionals is to always ensure the safety and comfort of his or her client while giving services. The following are the things to be done before giving the foot spa treatment. Wash your hands. Sit the client on a chair. Ensure that the client's safety and comfort before the foot spa activity. Check the conditions of the toenails. Remove any jewelry from the body part to be treated. Procedure in giving a foot spa treatment. Wash the client's feet using soap and lukewarm water. Prepare the foot spa machine with lukewarm water. Add the appropriate foot soak solution. Then let the client's feet soak for 10 to 15 minutes. Scrub the client's feet using a foot scrub and exfoliating gloves. Rinse the client's feet with lukewarm water and towel dry them. Remove calluses from the client's feet using a foot file. Rinse the client's feet with lukewarm water and towel dry them. Apply a foot softening product and massage the feet according to the prescribed procedure. Apply foot brush. Advise the client on proper foot care maintenance after the service. Confirm with the client that the desired service outcome has been achieved and record the result.
Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new today. See you on our next lesson. Bye!